Good afternoon, everyone. How you doing? It's Phil Cooper with TRC. Today we're going to shed light on a very popular product we keep getting inquired about, which is James Hardie siding. So it's a premium exterior cladding that's really been growing in popularity in the Midwest as well as Northwest Indiana. So today I'm going to just highlight some of the components, a little backstory about it, as well as just show you a little variance with kind of your standard vinyl products that you're seeing, or possibly you're in that conversation with both. So a little backstory. So you may, if you watch HGTV, you'll see that JH featured throughout shows or builds in progress. So James Hardie's been around for over 140 years. It's originally out of Australia. So it was built due to their temperatures and climates. And over the last 100 years, they've made some modifications to be in a zone like the Midwest. So really unique. They're actually headquartered in Chicago, and their corporate's out of Dublin, Ireland. So first, I'm going to show you just a little plank. This is actually James Hardie rough sawn board right here. So they call it the Hardie board. Through and through, it's made out of a fiber cement build. It's only 3 products. So it's concrete, cellulose, as well as sand. And the big thing too with this, up into the 1980s, a key component was asbestos. So they went away with that. Obviously, as we know, a lot of the health issues with asbestos. So they reformulated the whole product, and the beautiful part of that, you could really kind of even see the fibers. And that's what kind of interwobes and holds it through and through. And really the benefit with having all those is fire resistance, durability, strength, as well as erosion, right? Pests and things along those lines. So I mentioned cedar siding. If you're having, holes, woodpeckers, things along those lines, those issues really don't fall on the James Hardie product. So today we have a few of the components. If we were to build out your house, let's highlight a few of these. Strip off your house wrap. If you needed any insulation, we would do that as well. It's really just trim boards, your lap panel, as well as if you want to do a decorative shake of some nature. And they feature the Hardie product in shake. So these are your trim pieces. So this is a 5/4 piece. These typically go on the ends of your buildings, and we can get this in any color. Right now, Hardie has over 700 Dream Collection colors, or if you went to a Sherwin-Williams and you say, hey, I want to do this, these products can get painted on the Hardie board. So it's very versatile on design and things like that. And the only difference between trims, Kyle has a few of them here. This is your corner piece, and then these go around your windows. So you'll see a little size difference as well. So this look is a rough sawn. So if you are considering the jump to a Hardie product, but you want to keep that cedar aesthetics, they actually impress the cedar look here. But maybe you want a contemporary look, we could actually do a smooth surface, modern approach like this. So it's very minimal, and it's kind of a cleaner look as well. And where we're at, Northwest Indiana and South Chicago, a lot of people are interested, hey, engineered wood, Hardie cement board. And I always say when we show up to the house, the first and foremost is, hey, what are your goals right out of the gate, right? With the look of the house, and then those problems and solving them. Both are great products, and they offer way different components. And this is actually a really great piece. So this actually shows engineered wood alongside the fiber cement, and this is actually sitting in water. So if you're in a damp area, maybe near a beachfront where a lot more water builds up, the Hardie actually long-term wise is a lot more proficient with combating kind of some of the issues you run with moisture. So both of them, great products. It just varies on your problems, locations, and designs. We can do a 1-color home, or we could just do a 7-color pattern as well. And this is actually a custom one we have coming up. This is forest green. This is what they had on old cedar. Now we're doing, this is forever green. And a big thing, whether you utilize TRC to install your premium siding, is going to be the flashings. 30-year non-prorated warranty on the boards. The boards are great, but if we don't know how to install it, you're gonna have issues. One that's commonly forgotten, especially with new construction, is a kick-out flashing. So we custom bent a lot of these in the field. They go above all your windows, or possibly if you have a garage header that always rots right above your garage door. Anything horizontal gets a custom metal piece flashed over it. So Hardie as well, I just want to show you one thing, the difference too. I pulled a vinyl J channel. This is the variance in the trim piece. So this is a 1-inch exposure. Your fasteners get hidden behind vinyl. And this is your traditional 3.5-inch. So if you try to picture frame your house, aesthetically, these are the differences you see along your windows, your edging, and things along those. A lot more profile when you go with the premium. And a cool thing with Hardie, they actually have a hidden fastener system. So back in the day, you would face nail a lot of these trim pieces. Hardie came out with hidden fasteners because some people like not seeing nails or things like that. So we could attach these trim boards behind the lap siding. So this would be side by side as well. And this is sage green that I'm holding. So great color. We did one recently in Dyer, Indiana. But this is kind of how that would look. And then we would do an exterior sealant, completely bonding both materials. Even if you're just considering vinyl, when we talk about goals, typically most contractors have the measurements at hand. Just inquire, hey, what would be that difference, right? So if you fall in, we want to be here for 10 to 15 plus years, you know, the longevity of this product, as well as you could update it, paint it, if you really want to re-beautify it, you kind of still have that leisure to do so. And another great thing about the Hardie is, as we know, insurance premiums, they continue to go up, not go down. The fire rating does help. So if you did upgrade to a Hardie panel, you could actually probably get a discount through your insurance because it's a little safer than traditional wood on your house or a plastic product on your home. So that's where you see some long-term cost savings, and also just the safety of having a cement board versus wood or thin plastic. And I always say, siding projects, take your time with it. Do your research yourself on Hardie as well as all of their competitors. Us as contractors, we can definitely navigate and kind of guide you guys. Maybe you're just utilizing this in a problem area versus the whole house. But this is a good transition out of issues we see with cedar, especially in Northwest Indiana and South suburbs. So the big three with product is going to be your design, your flashing, and I always say the installers, right? Have they worked with the product? The only pitfall of Hardie, I would say, is going to be there's still a reliance on sealants at your corners in that, but those are things that typically same crews applying those and they're color match. So that's really the only pitfall we see versus vinyl. We don't have to caulk all our corners, but the beauty is same color, same manufacturers, and they still put that warranty on the entire build as a whole. And if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us, send us emails, and we could actually do 3D renderings or mock-ups of your home with the panels at hand. Whether it's our website, social media, or you could schedule an appointment with one of our project managers to walk you through kind of the products and the process with Team Total.